Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you Google Voice not available in your country fix. So there are a few ways here that I'm going to show you on how to fix this problem. So first, you can go and then look for a VPN. So use a VPN because VPN services allow you to change your IP address to make it appears as if you are in a different country. So you can choose a VPN provider, just go to any web browser and then search for that specific VPN, install and connect to the VPN, clear your browse, and then visit Google Voice. The second thing is that you can try Google Voice with a US number. So if you have access to a US based phone number, you can try signing up for Google Voice. Some users have been able to bypass the restriction by registering with a US number, even if they're physically in another country. And then lastly, you can use alternative VoIP services. If Google Voice is not available in your country and none of the above solutions consider, you can use this one as alternative. So you can go to any web browser and search, for example, services like Skype, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, and other applications. So basically, that's it. This is just a few ways on how to fix this Google Voice and not available in your country. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.